Guys, my work revolves around social media. I do digital marketing, social media management, of course, content creation, which all revolves around social media. Kahapon, um, I was sleeping, tapos I received a call kasi nasuspend yung business page ng isang client. And of course, a business page is so important, diba? For the business, ganyan. And of course, since I'm the one who's managing the social media, I'm the one who needs to figure out a way para mabalik yun. Of course, you can always appeal naman to Meta, which I did. So after a few minutes, it was restored. The suspension was lifted. Pero sobrang detrimental kasi talaga ng suspension or ng mga violation even to my personal account. Kasi although of course yung mga minamanage kong page, ano lang naman ako, admin, I only have access, pero of course I'm not blaming my clients because this is how it works. I need to be able to manage the pages. So, nadadama yung personal account ko. And just now, guys, mind you, it's May 22nd. Hindi ako natulog from May 21. It's 8:52 ngayon. Di ako natulog kasi I'm preparing for a lot of stuff today, May 22nd. Ang dami kong gagawin. Meron akong shoot, meron akong collab, and I'm preparing stuff. So, di ako nagmamadali. Tapos, pati yung personal account ko na-suspend, guys. Mabuti na lang meron akong second account. Well, for safety, that's a tip, guys. If you are managing page, especially kagaya ko na I have my content creation page, my page for Facebook, kanyan. It's important that you have a second account kasi nga in times like this, although of course, main account ko yun, guys. All of my friends, my posts, the memories that I have are there. So, partida guys, naka-verified account pa ako. So, according to Meta, if you are verified or if you have a blue badge, it's like a safeguard for your account na parang it's easier for them to verify whatever. So, I'm betting on that. Sana mabilis ma-verify because look guys, I already made an appeal. So, yan siya. Pag nag-redirect naman siya, ayun yung nakalagay. So, yan, ganyan ka lala yung stress, guys. So, magna 9 na, I need to prepare na rin for the shoot for a client. Tapos, come 5 p.m. SM Marilao naman. So, since it's quite far, I need to move na. So, yun guys, wala akong tulog. Bahala na, samahan nyo na lang ako today. Sobrang stressed. Guys, so quick update. Nabalik na yung account ko. Ayan siya. Diba? Nalate pa ako tuloy ng gayak dahil dyan. Anyway, sige po, gayak na ako. Samahan nyo ako sa mangyayari today. Guys, so hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina doon sa may shoot, pero look at my face, super red. Pero anyway, second, di na ako mag-joyride na lang ako papunta doon at 4:05 na, 5 p.m. yun. So, bye guys. Thank you po. Yan guys, so sakto 5 p.m. ako dumating. Guys, so I'm here at Yabu. This is their first branch in Bulacan. And I'm very, very much familiar with Yabu because favorite to ng mga pamangkin ko. As in, like, sila pa yung nagturo sa akin kung paano kumain dito. So, pretty excited with this collaboration. And I'm really excited to try some of the food that I haven't tried before. So, join me. Guys, nandito na ang ating date for today. Si Ate Mish.
Minotaur lang.
Yes, Minotaur lang guys. Di nyo kaya. From Malolos to Marilao. So, mag-order na tayo, Ate Mish. Check out the menu. Staple ng Yabu is this one.
Yes.
Tama, di ba? This.
The raw sushi.
Tapos yung may ritual.
Yes,
Ay,
sir.
tama ba? Is that it?
Yes,
Saan na yung ritual?
Pag may ritual, sir, pag mga katsudon po kasi natin, wala po siyang ritual.
Ah, okay. So not this one.
Pero yun, ito po yun.
Yan yun, di ba? Yung...
Not this one po.
Ah,
Pero
yan.
since ito po kasi mga highlighted na.
Sige, I think ano na lang, yung, bigyan mo na lang din kami if ever din ng ganito. Tama ba? Pwede ba yun?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can
Hindi lang naman
feature.
po sila from step 1 to step 2, sir.
Alrighty. Guys, nakikita niyo itong ginagawa. Ito po ay yung tamang way of doing the ritual. Hindi po ganito. Nauna ko nilagyan ko na kagad ng sauce. This is mali guys ha. Kasi ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Kailangan i-crush niyo muna yung sesame seeds. Hindi ko alam kung pwede na to ate. Pwede ba to? Feeling ko ano na siya, magiging parang peanut butter na to. So guys, ito yung mga ita-try natin.
Kami. Sure. Ako naman gagawin. Very good.
So good guys. Nice. Salmon.
Ito na kaya. Ito lang din ba kayo?
Guys, look at this one. It's so big guys. Ang laki niya. Sobrang sarap nito. Nasatisfy yung cravings ko. Pure mango.
Sabi ang kami po.
Hindi natin mali-work.
Guys, sobrang sarap ng lahat ng nakain namin. Ate Mish, ano favorite mo so far?
Ito.
Diba? Ang laki niya.
Ito.
Oo,
Unlimited.
unlimited yan. Tapos nakakadalawa na siya, guys.
Kailangan kaya ko ng apat.
Uy, apat. Ayun pa, meron pa isa.
Kaya pa.
So guys, magpapakabusog muna kami.
Happy!